Hey guys, so today I'm coming at you with a brand new video. This is a tutorial. I actually got requested by somebody to do the eye look from my Pretty Little Lashes Silk Lashes try-on tutorial. I will put their name somewhere on the screen so you know who you can thank for this tutorial. For this tutorial, I used the Urban Decay Electric palette and Pretty Little Lashes lashes, and that is almost it. And I only used 3 shadows, so it was super duper easy. This is not a difficult look to achieve. You just need a little bit of patience and a lot of blending. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Okay, so the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Urban Decay Electric palette. The shadows in here actually do have a disclaimer on them, so I would be careful. Some of them, actually quite a few of them, are not for use around the eye, which to me kind of defeats the purpose of an eyeshadow palette. Or I guess it doesn't say that it's an eyeshadow palette, it says that it's an electric pressed pigment palette, so you could use it anywhere around your face or whatever, but this says that Slow Burn, Savage, Jilted, and Urban are not for use around the eyes. But actually all the shadows that I'm going to be using today are for use around the eyes, thank goodness. I'm not going to go blind. So first shade that I'm going to go into is the shade Chaos. And my eyes are already like primed and set, by the way, just letting you know. So I'm going to go into the shade Chaos and apply it to the lid using a flat brush. This is the Morphe E10. Let's get an instant replay of what just happened. Moving on. Okay, next I'm gonna go into the shade Gonzo. And I'm going to take my Morphe M505 brush and blend out the edges. Now I'm going to go back into Chaos, that original blue shade, and I'm going to apply it back into the center of my lid since I kind of brushed it off with the blending brush. Now I'm going to go back into Gonzo with a fluffy little brush. Don't know what to call it. A shader brush, and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lash line. And I'm just going to keep going back and forth in this motion right here. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to kind of drag the residue down so that it gives a smoky effect. Now I'm going to use a liner brush, any liner brush will do, and I'm going to go back into the shade Chaos again. And I'm going to apply that right under my lash line. Like my immediate lash line is actually where I'm going to apply it, and then it is going to look like the Gonzo shade got smoked out. Okay, now I'm going to go back into this fluffy brush again and go into Chaos and blend the two shades together. Now I'm going to use a very, very tiny little detail brush and take the shade Thrash And I'm going to spray it with my Mario Badescu cucumber spray. And I'm going to apply it to my inner corners. Next, I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glowkit. And I'm going to take Lucky Clover, so like a greenish tinted highlight. Taking the same brush and applying it over top of the other shade. And I'm actually going to take that same highlight for my brow bone as well. Just keep it all cohesive. Okay, so this is actually it for the eyeshadow. So it was really simple, only 3 shades plus a highlighter, and the whole eye look is done. Of course, it's a very, very bold look. What I did in the video actually is I just applied black liner on my lash line and put on some mascara. So I'm going to do that off camera because it's boring to watch. See you in a second. Okay, next I'm going to apply my bottom mascara. I already did it on this eye. I'm using my NYX Color Mascara in the shade Perfect Pear. And this is like a bit of an extra step, so you don't have to do this. You can just use regular mascara, but it matches the inner corner highlight, so I'm going to apply this. And for lashes, it would only be fitting to use a Pretty Little Lashes silk pair of lashes, since that's what I was doing for the original video. So I'm going to go with the lash Adored, and I'll just stick these on off camera. And finally for the lips, I'm going to go in with a nude gloss from Winky Lux. And this is the shade Romeo and Juliet. But first I'm going to line my lips with my NYX lip liner in Natural. Okay, so that was the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope that you were able to follow along. I made everything fairly easy. This was a very easy look, as I've already mentioned before. It only required 3 shadows and a highlighter, so it was definitely a simple look to follow. Of course, it's not an everyday look, but if you are bold and you have confidence, you can definitely get away with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please leave me a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also click on the bell notification icon. It looks like a little bell if you want to get notified of when I upload my videos. So again, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!